How to fix Epic Games Launcher IS-FC06, unable to write or create file chunks. This appears if your system is unable to write or create file chunks when trying to download a game. Verify your hard drive, S, are using the NTFS file system. To check the file system that the player's hard drive, S, are using, use these steps. 1. Click on Start. 2. Type this PC and press Enter. 3. Right-click on your hard drive and click on Properties. 4. The file system will be listed under the type. If this says NTFS, you are using the correct file system. If this says FAT32, you'll need to convert the hard drive to NTFS. 4 steps on how to do this. Use this article. Perform hard drive test. Hard drives sometimes have errors that can be resolved by checking them using chkdsk. To check your hard drive, please complete these steps. 1. Click Start. 2. Type Command 3. Right-click Command Prompt and then click Run as Administrator. 4. Type chkdsk/r/f and press Enter. Note, you can run this command for any hard drive by replacing C with D, E, etc. 5. Press Y and then Enter to allow your hard drive to be checked when you restart your computer. 6. Restart your computer. Please note that you only need to restart if you chkdsk the hard drive your operating system is running on. This process may take some time to complete. If you receive any errors, it should repair these during the process. Once this is complete, try to install your game again. Perform memory test. This error is a sign that the player may have bad RAM in their computer. They should perform a memory test using Windows Memory Diagnostic to determine if they need to replace their memory. 1. Click on Start. 2. Type Windows Memory Diagnostic and press Enter. 3. Select Restart Now and check for problems. If any errors are found, the player should replace their memory and try installing their game again afterwards.